Windows completely covered in snow. It's cold in here. Even with the sleeping bag right now, I'm still a bit chilly. Holy crap. That's the road. To a good point. I think I'm just gonna stop here. I'll take you guys outside real quick and show you around. It is windy. Woo. There's one of the snow drifts. I'm excited, but at the same time a little nervous because I don't know how strong the wind's gonna be blowing all night, and I don't want to get the snow beat up along the whole side of the truck here and another snow drift. And you can see the tracks here go up farther, but I'm not gonna go for it by myself. I don't have any recovery gear with me. Look at that, that's how deep the snow was. Came up on the back of the truck there. Let's get this thing opened up here. Whew. I should have worn my cowboy boots. Turn the truck off here. Dinner. All right. Locked and loaded. Should have worn my cowboy boots. Woo. Turn this thing down. I only got one tank with me. If I use it up, I'm not gonna be warm in the morning. Got to use a little bit tonight and then a little bit in the morning to warm me up before I wake up. Get the truck heated up. I don't know if you guys can hear the wind outside, but I read it's supposed to reach 60-mile-an-hour winds down in the valley. I'm up on the mountain, so I'm hoping the trees help a little bit, but they are about 100 yards that way and over the hill on that side. But it's I'm kind of like in this little culvert here, blocking the wind for the most part. So hopefully it's not too windy. The truck is rocking a little bit, but not bad. It's not too serious. I'll show you guys what the truck looks like in the morning. Kind of head to bed. I sure hope I'm okay up here. The wind is howling. I'm gonna go ahead and lay on down. I don't know if you guys can hear the wind. It is shaking the truck very bad. I can't sleep, it's too strong. Well, that's a bad sign. Look at that. Window's completely covered in snow. It's cold in here. Even with the sleeping bag right now, I'm still a bit chilly. And I hope I can get down that hill. Hopefully it's not too bad. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Holy crap. Oh, that's not good. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to film this. I'm just gonna have to get out and run to the cab. All right, guys. So in the 2 seconds I was outside, I got completely covered in snow and it's already melted through my pants because of my temperature. But as you can see, I can't really see much in front of me right now. That's the road. I think I'm screwed. Take it off. Look at that. Oh my. Oh my gosh, that's gnarly. So it's cleared up a little bit outside. Oh, and now it's windy again. It's not that bad. We're just gonna go for it. It's cold. It's freezing. Woo! It's so windy out here. Woo! Oh my God. Well, you got the thumbnail. Time to head down the mountain. barely made it through that. There's the road. The road is way up on the right. I'm driving down on the left side. Oh shit, we get sucked in. Come on. I'm just going for it. Oh, come on, stay on there. Get on the road, get on the road, get on the road. Oh, my God. Oh, frick. Whew, I made it through the first part. Okay, come on. Come on. Please don't let it be too bad. My brakes are freezing up. Oh, holy shit. Oh, shit. You guys see that? The road is right there. That's dirt. I was so close. Oh my gosh. That's what it's like. That's what it's looking like. So the problem is, I don't know. Otherwise I could probably get myself out. I don't know what to do. I don't have a shovel or anything. But I can see the road, so I know there's a possibility of someone getting up here. Alright, so I tried 4 low, nothing. I would air my tires down, but at this point, they're not even touching snow barely. They're just, like, I'm in drive right now, and they're just moving. Yeah, so I don't think airing down is going to do anything at all. It's not even 7:30 yet in the morning, so I don't think anyone I know would be awake yet either. And if they are awake, they gotta come all the way from the city down there. I feel like I'm more or less screwed. I got someone to come up and get me. My girlfriend's, one of her friends, she has a pretty nice rig with a winch and stuff, so they're coming up here to get me right now. I think I see the rescue people now! That looks so sick. That wasn't there last night. That's new. I'm wondering if I should try and shovel it a little bit first now. Uh-oh. The winch might have just broke. Winch is still broken. Honestly, probably like 2 more tugs and I'd be out.
Okay.
Holy crap. Well guys, got her out. Okay. Well guys, after a lot of shoveling, we got it out. Thanks to my girlfriend and her buddy there. Woo. Now we just head down the mountain. It's been a long day. It's 11:10. Look at the size of that snowdrift. Holy crap. Well, we made it out of the bad part. And now we're to the easy part here. And we are home free. Woo! Well guys, we're officially out, and thanks to Apney and Lauren for coming to save me there. I would have been stuck for a long time if I didn't get some assistance. next time I need to make sure to bring a shovel or some recovery gear, or just make sure that I check the weather before I go, because that was a lot more than I bargained for. The road up that like last night wasn't near as bad. I easily made it up, and just the wind was so strong last night that it blew those drifts over and made it way too difficult, way too much snow to get out. But it's been a good one. It's been an adventure, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's get it. Woo!